Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Komali. Today's question of the day series question number 6. National Florence Nightingale Awards are awarded in recognition for meritorious services rendered in which field? Options: economics, art and culture, science and technology, nursing. So let's see what is this National Florence Nightingale Awards. The National Florence Nightingale Awards were instituted in the year 1973 by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare as a mark of recognition for the meritorious services rendered by the nurses and nursing professionals to the society. And the President of India, Draupadi Murmu, presented this National Florence Nightingale Awards for the year 2021 to the nursing professionals. So the answer for the question is option D, nursing. National Florence Nightingale Awards are awarded in the field of nursing. So here is another question for you. Which is the first state to create the role of Director General of Audit? If you know the answer, comment down, and if you do not know the answer, click on the video that is shown on the screen. That's it for this video guys. For more such quick knowledge boosting videos, subscribe to my channel Learn with Komali.